Sache movie summary in English. Sache, a carefree and happy-going guy, joins a college in Ooty and falls for Shalini immediately on seeing her in first sight. Shalini studies in the same college as Sache and is considered a popular and beautiful student, while also being a short-tempered and arrogant girl with an upper middle-class status. Sache learns all of this information about her from Arnold aka Ayasami, a man who has studied in the college for about 9 years and keeps studying there because he thinks that students should give their respect to their college professors, while also informing Sache that there are so many boys trying to impress her. This makes Sache take a different route, and he starts mocking Shalini in front of her, which irritates her. Slowly, they both become good friends after Sache saved her father in a bike accident. Santhanam, who is another student in the college, also loves Shalini, but he feels jealous seeing her and Sache being good friends and decides to separate them. Santhanam writes in one of the walls of the college that Sache loves Shalini, and this angers Shalini as she misunderstands that Sache has done it. Shalini shouts at Sache, who informs her that he is so outspoken and does not want to write in the college wall to convey his love, which makes Shalini realize her mistake. To her surprise, Sache informs that, although he has not written it, the content present on the wall is true, which means that he is in love with Shalini. This again angers Shalini, and she shouts at him that she considered him only as a good friend, and that she was not in love with him. Later, Shalini overhears Sache challenging Santhanam that Shalini will convey her love within the next 30 days, as their college years will be completed by then. Shalini challenges Sache that she will never fall in love with him. Manju is also from the same college, and she likes Sache. Shalini gets jealous when she spots Sache and Manju together often, but Manju informs Shalini that Sache loves Shalini so much and asks her not to hide her feelings, as it is very evident that Shalini too likes Sache. This makes Shalini realize her love towards Sache. Sache learns that Shalini's parents have arranged a wedding for her, and he meets Shalini on the last day of their college and says that he has lost the challenge and he will be leaving Ooty tomorrow. But Shalini hides her feelings towards Sache and she plans to propose her love the next day as she wants to win the challenge by not conveying her love within the 30 days. On the 31st day, Shalini is excited and goes to propose Sache, but suddenly, she meets Sache's father Gautam on the way. Gautam is a billionaire, in which this fact makes the entire college be surprised that Sache is the only son of a rich business tycoon, as Sache always stays very simple and down to earth. Now Shalini feels bad that if she proposes her love towards Sache at this moment, then he might misunderstand that she decided to marry him after knowing that he is so rich and decides to stay calm. Sache leaves to Coimbatore International Airport, and Shalini also follows him. In the airport, Shalini could not control her emotions and proposes to Sache. She also revealed that it is her ego that did not let her convey her love during the last 30 days. Sache feels so happy, and the couple is united.